Alright, good morning everybody. It's Saturday and this morning we went out to check on Mama Maggie, and she was out hiding out back. And we could tell that she was ready to have her calf. And she's got that look in her eye. Poor Mama. Anyway, so she was already in the beginning stages of labor. So we walked her back up to the barn because it's cold today, and we got her in a stall with some bedding, and right now that calf is coming. And I can see the hooves moving, and that's a good sign. So the only thing I wish is I could move that water bucket maybe. But she's doing it here. She's doing a good job. She was not happy about us moving her from the back of the field up to the barn, but we encouraged her with some treats, and she's doing great. She's technically not due for a couple days, so she's right on schedule. So you're doing good, Mama. Doing good. Great job, Maggie. This will be our third calf on the ground this year. In 2018, so far we have Morning Glory, she's the oldest, and then Foxtail, our little bull calf, and now we're excited to find out what this one is here. She's doing great. At this rate, it's not going to take too long from here. She started showing some signs yesterday with just some discharge, clear discharge, and going off by herself, but nothing active. But this morning when I didn't see her in the field, I knew that she was off hiding somewhere. And it's like 20, it's going to get down to 20 tonight, which is not awful, but we want to keep everybody warm and safe and where we can watch them easily. So good job, Mama. I know, girl, I feel your pain. You're a good Mama. I see the calf moving her hoof. Calling it a her in faith. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to adjust this water, get it out of the way. Get these pellets and water out of the way. And we will try to catch the rest of it here. She's thinking about moving around here. Good job, Mama. Alright, you can do it. That head is coming. Oh, good job, Mama. I don't want to get any closer, but can you guys see the sweet little head's coming out? Oh, the calf is moving. This is very good. Come on. It's good. I can hear it's opening its mouth. Good job, Mama. Let's get that head out. Come on. Marie, real quick, go grab 3 big trash towels, please. And hustle back, and I'm gonna, just in case I gotta help, okay? 3 big trash towels fast, this baby's coming, and I wanna make sure I can dry her off. Oh good, I tried calling Marie, but she, oh, okay, come on Mama, you can do it. There you go, you might wanna move her and stand up. This baby come out. Man, I don't care if you're an animal or whatever. Mamas understand. You can do it, sweet Mama. Oh, good job. Come on, Mama, you can do it. Good job. Oh, that head is almost out. Good job, Mama. I want Marie to get me those towels so that I can get the nose cleared. Good job. You can do it, sweetheart. Okay, just come on in here, Marie. She's coming. Just give me one for right now and walk quietly over here. The calf is moving, so that's good. Everything looks good. Can you see it moving? I kind of wish she'd stand up a little bit. Hold it this tight so you can. I don't really want to get behind her hind leg in case she decides to. I want you to try to get the calf if you can. Oh, good job, baby. You right here. Get there. Come on, baby. And then come back here, okay? I gotta wipe off this baby's nose here. Come on, you can do it, Max. You're almost there. Ooh, okay. Come on, sweetie. I know, she'll sit up and the baby will come out. Can you come right here and get the calf? Please, like watch what you're doing here. You're okay. I know, Mama, get it? Get that baby out. You can do it. She's angled, not the best for kicking if she decides to kick to get the baby out the rest of the way. Don't kick me, Maggie. Come on, baby. see you. Come here. You are a slimy little thing. Come here. Oh, let's clear the nose. You are slimy. Hi, baby. Here. Let me scoot back a little bit. Okay. Come on. Okay, come on. How you doing? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good mama. Good mama, Mags. She's all yours. Just making sure.